Okay, today we'll start functions. Okay, what is function? First thing is what is function? Okay, so here function is a relation actually. First is function is a relation. First, we define relation. What is relation? I already told you. R is called relation from A to B if it is subset of A cross B. R is said to be relation if it is subset of A cross B. So every subset of Cartesian product is called relation from A to B. So this already I told you. So now what is function I have to tell you. So now let, first of all, let f is a relation from A to B. Now here this is a relation definition I told, but now assuming what, let f is a relation from A to B. Okay, let f is a relation from A to B, that is f is subset of A cross B means f is a relation from A to B. Here what is the condition? If for every A belongs to A, okay, for every A belongs to A, there exists B belongs to, there exists unique image, okay, for every A belongs to A, there exists unique image in B. Okay, then f is called function from A to B. Okay, let f is, first of all, f is a relation from A to B, and what is the condition? If for every element in A there exists unique image in B, then f is called function from A to B. How do you represent function? It is denoted by, that is function is denoted by f maps like this, f maps A to B. This is how we denote function. Here f is relation from A to B, we represent like this, f is a relation from A to B. B means what? F is subset of A cross B means f is a relation from A to B. This relation only we call function if it satisfies particular condition. If it satisfies particular condition, that is f is f is, what is the condition? For every element in A, for every element in A there should be unique image in B. Unique means what? Only one and only one image. Okay, now let's take let's take A equal to, I am taking 1 2 3. Okay, B equal to, let's take AB only, let's take AB only, simple example. Now f is a relation I am writing. How many relations exist? 2 to the power of 3 into 2, 2 to the power of 6 is 64 relations exist, out of which I am taking one relation. What is that? 1A 2B. Okay, 1A 2B, I'm writing relation, this function I'm writing. So sorry, this is a relation. This becomes function or not? Example, this becomes function or not means first you write this arrow diagram, also you can write this is 1 2 3, this is f, this is A to B, this is a relation here A B. So 1A 2B. So how many of you say this is a function? This is a function. Example 1. Example 2 is 1A 2A 3B. Okay, this is second one is like this, second one is like this, 1 2 3 A B. So here A, this is B, this is a function now here. So 1A 2A 3B. So the here this is a relation. What is the condition? For every element in A there exists unique image in B. Here two conditions are there. For every, this is for every element in A there exists unique image in B. That means for every element in A there exists unique image in B. So for every element in A, that means what? Every element means what? For one there should be one and only one image. Unique image means for one image should be there, two image should be there, three image should be there. So for one image is there, two images there, for three images not there. Therefore this relation is not function. First relation is not function. Second relation, let's go to second relation. So for one there is image, for two there is image, for three there is image. For one, how many images are there? One and only one image is there. Good. For two, how many images are there? Only one image is there. For three, only how many images are there? Only one image. Therefore, this is function. Like this. So now I'll give another example. 3. So 1A, 1B, 2A, 3B. I'm writing this. So now here, if you write this now arrow diagram, if you write, so this is A, this is B, this is a function, this is a relation. What is that? 1, 2, 3, A, B. So 1A, 1B, 2A, 3B. Whether this is a relation or not is a question now. This is what we have to do. First we have to check. 1 has images, 2 has images, 3 has images. Every element has image. That image should be only one. That means every element should have only one image. For one, how many images are there? For one, 2 images are there. What are the images? A, for one, A is the image. For one, B is the image. So here, not a function. Not a function. Why not a function? One has not unique image. Not unique image. How many images then? One has no, but one has 2 images. Already I told what are the images in the sets. 2 images. One has 2 images. Namely, what are the images? Namely, A, comma B. Therefore, it is not a function. All right. Hope you understand this one. Because here, first example I gave here, one element has no image. Here, every element should have. For every, this meaning what? For every element. For every element, there should be image. 1, there should be image. 2, there should be image. 3, there should be image. For 3, no image. So it's not function. This is no, 1 has only one image, that is A. 2 has only one image, that is A. 3 has only one image, that is B. All right. So here then third example. 1 has only one image. This relation. One has 2 images. Here only first only failed. One should have only one image. One has, it should not have 0 image. It should not have more than one image. It should have only one image. One has 2. So here only we'll understand. Image of, you need not write this arrow diagram. One has image A, one has image B. That means one has 2 images, A and B. Therefore, it is not a function. That's all. So this is how we can. So this is what is finite function. That means finite number of elements are there. Finite function is what I discussed. So tomorrow, first this function definition you understand. Then tomorrow you have to write these notes and